Are you looking for the best microphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best microphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Maono PD300X Dynamic Microphone. The Maono PD300X Dynamic Microphone is a professional-grade mic designed for content creators, podcasters, streamers, and home studio recording, offering dual USB-C and XLR outputs for versatile connectivity. It delivers 24-bit, 192 kHz high-resolution audio, with an all-metal body, built-in shock mount, and foam pop filter to reduce plosives and handling noise. A multifunction smart knob allows easy control of mic gain, headphone monitoring, and mute, USB mode, while 5 levels of noise reduction ensure clear vocals by minimizing background sounds. With a 40 Hz, 16 kHz frequency response, the ability to handle 130 dB SPL, and additional tuning options through the Maono Link software, the PD300X provides reliable, studio-quality performance in a user-friendly design. Number 2. J6 Wireless Lavalier Microphone. The J6 Wireless Lavalier Microphone is a plug-and-play lapel mic system tailored for creators seeking simplicity and performance in video recording, vlogging, live streaming, and interviews. It transmits audio over the 2.4 GHz wireless band, delivering 48 kHz, 24-bit quality with low latency and stable coverage over distances typically reaching 20 m in open space. The MIC offers DSP-based noise reduction to suppress ambient sounds and ensures clear voice capture even in dynamic recording environments. The system includes a charging case that also acts as a power bank, enabling multiple recharges of the transmitters on the go, while the compact receiver plugs directly into devices via USB-C or via adapter for other ports. With its omnidirectional pickup, compact build, and zero setup design, the J6 is ideal for creators wanting dependable audio performance without the hassle of complex setup. Number 3. FIFINE M9 Wireless Microphone. The FIFINE M9 Wireless Lavalier Microphone, 2-pack, is a dual cordless lapel mic system designed for vlogging, interviews, and content creation, offering plug-and-play compatibility with iPhone, Android, cameras, and laptops. Featuring 48 kHz, 16-bit audio with omnidirectional pickup and built-in noise reduction, it ensures clear voice capture across a 20 Hz, 20 kHz range. The system provides up to 6 to 7 hours of use per charge, while the included 1200 mAh charging case extends total runtime to about 30 hours. With a 2.4 GHz wireless connection offering stable transmission up to 50 meters, plus gain, mute, and mono, stereo controls on the receiver, the M9 delivers flexibility and reliability for creators needing an easy-to-use, professional wireless audio solution. Number 4. Saramonic Blink 500 ProX Q Microphone. The Saramonic Blink 500 ProX Q is a professional 2.4 GHz dual-channel wireless lavalier microphone system designed for iPhone, Android, DSLR cameras, PCs, and vlogging setups, delivering 48 kHz, 16-bit audio with a signal-to-noise ratio above 84 dB and ultra-low latency of about 8 milliseconds. Offering a transmission range of up to 100 meters, it ensures stable, interference-free sound using frequency hopping technology. Each transmitter has a built-in omnidirectional MIC, gain control, and mute function, while the receiver provides mono, stereo output options and real-time headphone monitoring via a 3.5mm jack. With runtimes of 6 hours per transmitter and 10 hours on the receiver, plus an included charging case for extended use, the system is built for all-day recording. Compact, reliable, and highly versatile, the Blink 500 ProX Q is an ideal solution for content creators, interviews, and professional video production requiring clear, wireless audio. Number 5. Maono PM500T XLR Microphone. The Maono PM500T is a professional XLR condenser microphone equipped with a 34mm gold-sputtered large diaphragm capsule and a cardioid pickup pattern, delivering clear, focused audio ideal for recording, podcasting, streaming, vocals, and instruments. With a 20 Hz, 20 kHz frequency response, high sensitivity, and support for up to 120 dB SPL, it captures a full tonal range with detail and low distortion. Built from a durable zinc alloy body, it comes with a metal pop filter, shock mount, and desktop stand for stable setup and effective noise isolation. Featuring premium circuitry with a pomalloy output transformer to minimize noise and maintain signal quality, the PM500T requires 48V phantom power from an audio interface, mixer, or preamp. Compact yet studio grade, it offers creators and musicians a reliable large diaphragm MIC with balanced, natural sound.